Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the tab list layout in the Naver Whale Browser on mobile. If you use Whale Browser daily and want a better way to view. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, find and tap on the Change Layout option. After that, scroll down slowly until you see the Tab List option. Here, you will be able to choose between partial screen or full screen for your tab layout. Select partial screen if you want tabs to appear in a smaller overlay. Choose full screen if you prefer seeing all your tabs displayed across the entire screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who use Whale Browser.